Hey everyone, thank you so much for joining us today. We're going to be talking about layering heat transfer vinyl over heat transfer paper, which is going to give you a really cool look. Now before we get started, go ahead and click on the subscribe button below to subscribe to our YouTube channel. That way you can be the first to know anytime we have any new videos to share with you all. Okay, so let's get started. So here we have our transfer that we've already printed out, and we've done this on Paraffin Inkjet Dark Pro paper. We also have our vinyl sample that we've cut out, and this was done with Caesar Easy Weed. So what we're going to do first is we're going to press the heat transfer paper, which goes at 375 degrees for about 30 seconds. We're going to let the transfer then cool on the shirt. We're also going to have the machine cool down to 305 degrees so we could then press our Caesar Easy Weed transfer. Okay, so the first thing we're going to want to do, we're going to slide our shirt in, and we're actually going to pre-press the garment for about 5 seconds. And the reason we do this is to get out any excess moisture in the garment, and it also is going to give us a nice flat surface to work with. Nice, let's slide this back out. Beautiful. Now we're going to go ahead and lay our dark transfer, which again, we're using Paraffin Inkjet Dark Pro. Now with dark transfer paper, the one thing that's really important here is the peel. So you're going to want to peel this off the backing, like how you see me do it. Best done in a nice smooth motion. Now we're going to go ahead and place this transfer onto our shirt. I'm just going to make sure that I line it up correctly here. There we go. That looks about right. I'm now going to cover it here with my parchment paper. I'm going to slide it back in. And we're going to press this at 375 degrees for 30 seconds. Okay, so now this is done, we're going to go ahead and open that carefully here. We're going to slide it out. Let's get rid of our parchment paper. And look at that beautiful transfer. Very, very nice. Okay, so now that our heat press has cooled down to 305 degrees, we can go ahead and place our heat transfer vinyl on. And I'm going to line it up right where I want it. Right about there. Looks good. So now what I'm going to do is get my piece of parchment paper, cover that up, and again we're at 305 degrees for about 10 to 15 seconds. I'm going to go ahead and open that carefully. We're going to slide this back out. Let's get rid of our parchment paper there, and now we can peel our heat transfer vinyl. And that looks great. We're able to lay our heat transfer vinyl over our heat transfer paper. So here's our finished product. Now you can see that we were able to layer our heat transfer vinyl over our heat transfer paper onto a dark shirt. Just so you know, you can layer heat transfer vinyl over a light heat transfer paper for all of your light shirts. You'll just want to follow the instructions for the light transfer paper. Hey, if you like this video, go ahead and click on the thumbs up below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. That way you can be the first to know anytime we have new videos to share with you all. Also, we'd love to see what you guys are working on. So feel free to use the hashtag HPN Creators across all social media. Thanks for watching.